People have joint pain since time immemorial and have tried to cope with it in numerous ways. Some try exercises, some try different braces, some try surgeries, some constantly go to the doctors to get treated, and many take opioids despite their side effects and end up as addicts. Let's be honest, people are not happy with any of the approaches and want a natural way to relieve the pain without having to take pills or having to wait for the doctor, and need it handy when the pain occurs and get immediate pain relief at home. Introducing Well Wrap for the Knee for home use. Wearable on-the-go orthopedic wrap with NASA's low-level laser therapy embedded technology to relieve musculoskeletal pain caused by diseases or injuries naturally, with proven increase in adenosine triphosphate production via photobiomodulation in the treated area. Just wear the wrap whether you are at home or at the office or taking the dog for a walk, and turn it on and get joint pain relief in as little as 1 to 2 treatments of 7 minutes each. You can treat daily at home immediately when you feel the pain without any overdosage or side effect issues. And you can capture your pain and drug use data, vitals data such as blood pressure, temperature, and so on your phone, and share it with your doctors and loved ones for better outcomes and peace of mind. How does the science work? LLLT induces physiological changes at the cellular level. When LLLT laser light is applied deep into the tissue, the damaged cells absorb the light and converts it into ATP energy. This photobiomodulation process produces the healing growth factor via increased ATP and simultaneously provides pain relief through increased serotonin and endorphin release. Okay, what does this really mean? It's just all-around goodness to your cells, providing pain relief and a natural way for the cells to heal themselves. LLLT optimizes the speed of repair in acute injuries, increases circulation, and decreases inflammation.
Hi, my name is Dr. Virginia Hernley. I'm a licensed practicing chiropractor, practicing for 33 years in San Mateo, and I use handheld, low-level laser light therapy. It's very effective. I treat a lot of sports injuries, ACL tears, MCL tears, tendonitis, osteoporosis, arthritis. Patients can use the Well Wrap, which uses the acupuncture principles as well as the laser therapy, and they can take it home, use it for their pain, and not reach for opioids. Anytime we can avoid using opioids, it's a no-brainer. I highly recommend the Well Wrap.
Well Wrap provides a proven solution to be used at home when you feel the pain, without the need for any prescriptions. FDA has approved numerous devices as safe to use since the 2000s. Well Wrap is partially FDA cleared and now currently waiting for full approval. Get your life back.
Hello, thanks for watching the video. My name is Abby and I'm the founder of Well Wrap. My dad has knee pain and is the reason I got involved in the project, and completely committed to bringing this to production. But we can't do it without your help. We need your pledges and your shares. So sincerely appreciate all your help. Thank you so much.
Screen time. Kids love it. Exploring online is a key part of being a kid these days. But as parents, we need to set limits. Sometimes we want our kids to simply unplug and play outside. What if you could set those limits with the push of a button on your phone? What if you could do this from any location, like from your desk at work? Now you can. Introducing the Ri-Fi by Ribot, a pause button for your kids' Wi-Fi. The Ri-Fi plugs into your current internet, creating a second network just for your kids. Just like that, your kids now have their own internet separate from yours. The companion app puts you in charge of their time on the internet. With a single tap, pause your kids' Wi-Fi. Tap again to resume it. Want to limit your kids to 30 minutes of Xbox? Just set your Wi-Fi timer, and in 30 minutes their internet turns off and they're done. Pause Wi-Fi when it's time for dinner and enjoy some quality family time. Turn Wi-Fi off at bedtime to ensure your kids get to sleep without online distractions. Give your kids the screen time they need to explore, learn, and have fun. Give yourself the peace of mind of being able to manage that screen time simply and stress-free. The Ri-Fi by Ribot. One device, one app, one cable to connect, and one big problem solved. Order yours today.